We both love traditional music, especially from the Balkans and from the Middle East, so between Hungary and Armenia, where our music ranges in that frame. Traditional simple melodies that very often they are transmitted by just by singing them, and then in each generation they change a little bit.
We kind of want to keep these songs alive.
I'm playing santur. It's a sort of a percussion instrument, but also with strings. It has 72 strings, which is really hard to tune. The structure of this music is based on improvisation, and that makes it quite fluid, but at the same time like it's shocking for the musician also at this stage to see, oh, I've done that, like, and you're like, oh, I want to do it again, but it's gone, you know, it was just that day.
My name is Lester David, also known as ARIAH Lester, and I'm a multidisciplinary artist coming from Caracas, Venezuela. I think essentially that music is vibration, and in these waves, these vibrations is encapsulated what we understand as feeling or emotion. So I think that therefore just being in one room, sharing these oscillations of sound, these vibrations are in some way moving ourselves, our particles, the water in our bodies. Amo pisar la tibia arena, mi ser descansa frente al mar. Cada pluma de mis alas es un verso en el libro de mi historia.
My name is Ildunanja, originally from Mozambique. I compose music for the people because I'm inspired by what is going on, the situation of the world. And I also work in the community building in Rotterdam with youth. So the music is connected in a sense that it brings a message for the youth, a message of hope.
I'm Raffaele. I'm a musician, I'm a composer, and in the last years I have been developing an instrument, so people usually also say that I'm an instrument maker. It's called Cukros, and it's based in a cello. It's an electro-acoustic instrument with 16 strings. You can change the tunings by rotating, playing different strings. You can select sounds through the strings. And if you change a knob, you can go to another catalog of sounds. There's Wi-Fi and I don't know what.
My name is Moa. I'm a visual artist and performance artist who mainly work with voice and sound. Part of my work is very influenced by folk music. Not only Scandinavian and Swedish, but a lot of Scandinavian and Swedish. In the summer, women took the cattle to the forest and looked after them there. And it was a way of communicating an improvisation in melody to make oneself heard both long distance and short distance, both to animals and to the next little farm.
You think you can't do anything, get away with it, but we won't just let you get away with it. Woman, nobody hold you down with trust like a woman. Nobody hold it down with trust, love unbreakable, pride unshakable.
I am Nai, I'm a singer-songwriter. I'm also discovering sounds that I like in my music. I love neo-soul, R&B, 90s kind of vibes. Brandy, Destiny's Child, TLC. I just really love the sound of it. It makes me feel home. It makes me feel like this is my jam. This is my... I can listen to this. I just love it.
Talk to me, hey, baby, I gotta know. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me.
My name is Yannick Verhoeven. Today I'm gonna perform my latest project. It's called Thalamus. So I did a residency in Parkzuiderhout, a monastery, old monastery. I'm 33. Most of them were 80 and sometimes they were 90. When I was performing for them, they really opened up. Even though I'm from a more different world than they were, they understood the feeling that I tried to capture. I'm really happy that we could bring my world to them. And I also kind of knew a bit more about their world. I can talk about this for all night. So.
My name is Ines Borovac, and I'm a performance artist and designer. As a Croatian and Balkan woman, I draw a lot of inspiration from my own experiences and experiences of marginalized people from where I come from, and try to connect it in an aspect of liberation of a rave culture.
Realized that we both wear orange socks and that made me happy.
Oh, they're not even in the shot.
Very cute.